folks, this is a one big long video I'm gonna make. I picked up a this to put on display in my store, but I couldn't resist. The antique guy shows up and sells me weird things. This is a Coleman thing, still in the box. I thought it was cool. Look at that. It is a Coleman mini stove. It's in mint condition and still has juice in it. It is in pristine condition. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. If you're a Coleman junkie, you probably know more about this than me. This is a classic. Where's it made? Where's it made? Let's see. I don't know. Wichita, Kansas, USA. It's not made in China. They don't make stuff like this they don't make stuff like this anymore. It's got the little pump. Needs a little leather thing in there. These are cool. These will probably outlive me if you keep this thing full at all times and don't leave it in the rain and stuff. Let's see if it. Don't leave it in the rain. Don't leave it in the moisture. You can get a lot of use out of this. It came with the. What's it say? Coleman one burn green Sportster stove. Let me show you the box here. Here's that side. Here's that side. Here's that side. Here's that side. Here's the bottom. There's that side again. What's it say on here? Stove. Lightweight, compact, perfect for fast meals, hot coffee, heating duck blinds, ice fishing, pack trips, picnics, emergencies, burns Coleman fuel or non-leaded gas. Gasoline? I put gasoline in this goddamn thing? I don't know. Cooking utensil case and heat drum accessories available. So I'm sure there's some accessories that I will never find, but I thought it was cool. And of course I'm going to fire this up and try it out. I should try it out this with my, I bought for like $10 at a antique store. It is I think it's a Coleman gas-powered iron. And I watched an Amish video, like just random video online with Amish. And I could have sworn the woman in the video was using a gas-powered iron. I've only seen I've seen probably 3 or 4 in antique stores. The one I got is pretty cool. They're a blue. It's a gas power, a little like bubble for the tank, and it's got blue enamel. Mine's just in pretty good shape. The enamel. Most of the ones I've seen are all rusty and wrecked, and the enamel's all chipped off. But anyway, I got another. Believe it or not, I have another part for a 3-wheeler. I got one of these. I got this one because I got it cheaper, and it's in pristine condition. This piece, in case anybody knows, goes on in, I think, an 86 or an 87 Honda Big Red, and it goes under the back trunk to hold the manual in the trunk. Because is there anything actually useful in the manual? Does anybody who knows anything about Big Reds know? I haven't seen the Honda manual. I probably still have it for my bike. I haven't seen the Honda manual in years, so I don't even know what's in it. I tried bidding on one. It was like $100. So I was like, yeah, I'm not buying a $100 manual so I can put on the bike and wreck it. But I got the holder because I'm trying to put the bike back. I'm not putting it on, what do they call it, concours condition. I'm putting it back together so it runs and looks, it at least has everything has all the original pieces except for the rear fenders, because that's the only thing that I can't afford. I'm not making a show bike. I also picked up another one of these. Believe it or not, I made a video of this. I was a little bit skeptical of this. I was seriously skeptical that this was going to work. And to my amazement, the only real thing I had was it does freeze bolts. It freezes it, makes it cold. It actually works. I took off 5 bolts that were literally fused, rusted on this rack behind me. And there's a video I made of it, and I'm impressed. The only thing I'm not impressed with is the amount of waste, because the thing sprays out an asinine amount of liquid. That pretty much, I think I did 12 bolts. I did 12 bolts with it. Most of them came out. I had to drill out, and I had to drill and retap a bunch of them because they were just complete shit, and the head snapped off. But it works. I'm gonna try something different next time because I got another rack that says about a zillion bolts snapped in. I'm gonna try buying a can of compressed air and turning it upside, because I used to play with it at my father's computer store. We'd get a can of compressed air and spray the counter and spray paper and free stuff with it when you turn upside down. I'm gonna try taking a can of compressed air. It's up because they're $3. You can buy them, I think, at the dollar store too. And these are $6-7. Buy a couple of them and spray it upside down, because I know the propellant gets cool. And try doing that on a bolt versus this, just to see if, just for the fun of it. I mean, why not have some fun? But that, I also picked up another one of these, an oil drain pan. I have one, don't know where it went. It has a screw-on lid. Anybody know where I checked at Tractor Supply, I checked everywhere else. My oil drain pan that has a screw-on lid is nowhere to be found, and I bet you it's either under there or under my car. So I bought one of these that has the little oil filter holder, has the little spout I can pour it out, which is actually pretty cool. It was I don't know, I think I bought it at Runnings. Yeah, see, what is it, Midwest can drain pan filter post with filter post, 6 quart. I only need a 2 quart one. The other problem is our local place takes oil, disposed oil in the original oil container. So sometimes you have a 30-year-old bike and you're still using the containers for unfiltered oil. Where do you put, what original oil container are they talking about? I have yet to figure that one out. Also, I got something really cool, which I haven't worn yet because I've been waiting to show it to you. I bought this online off of, I think her name is Kim. She makes shirts. I bought a Honda. Can you see the shirt? It's all crunkly. It's a very nice shirt. See? Oh, it's awesome. Yeah, there we go. Honda Big Red Nation. She had the shirts for sale. I bought some. I haven't worn it yet. My only, and this is nothing against the person who made the shirt. The only thing that I forgot when I ordered them to ask if it was 100% cotton. I do wear some, like these are 100% cotton. I do sometimes forget and buy the 70. I can't stand polyester shirts. They love to catch on fire. They love to get burn holes. They don't last very long, and I don't like leaching plastic in my skin. It just drives me nuts. They're like too soft. I like rough. Maybe I'm weird. Maybe I'm a little rough around the ears. So yeah, that's my whole for today. It is hot in here. I thought it'd be cooler. The other day it was nice and cool out. Usually what happens, it's hot out and all the cool air gets sucked in here at night. If it cools down at night, I can open the door, cool it off, and close the door. But tonight it's hot. I might make a video and just clean up my bench. I gotta clean up anyway. I have a bag of bolts that's in my way. I postponed picking up the rest of the plating kit because I'm gonna plate bolts this winter. I don't know if I need a heated spot or what, but I would like to change the oil on this thing. I got to do it soon, sooner than later. And I can't do it tonight because I don't have enough space on my phone. And I'm thinking of buying another phone for making videos, but I'm not sure how I'm going to jump the videos from, because Macs are stupid. Like if you put another phone in them and doesn't want to take it out, I don't know. I have to buy an intermediate device to edit the videos on my Mac. So I don't know how that's going to work. But I'd like to get a recording device that's a phone that is better than an iPhone, because I know the cameras on these things suck donkey balls. I mean, they work, don't get me wrong, they work. But Apple's so good at like, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that, oh, we're going to spy on you. And every week it's got to update because it's stupid. So I'd like to just get one just for making videos. And I want to, and I know there's phones out there that have a terabyte hard drive. I paid with my phone plan like some ridiculous amount for a phone that has 256 gig instead of a terabyte, and half of it just keeps the operating system getting bigger and bigger and bigger and eating up all the memory. So, and then when you have like 200 gig of videos in here, and there's like stuff that I've edited, stuff I keep, and stuff you chop up and make YouTube shorts out of, it's ridiculous after a while. So anyway, with that said, I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody having a great summer. Hope people where you are, it is summer, because I know it's not the same seasons everywhere. So if you're watching this and it's summer and hot out, good luck. Send me some lemonade. Send me some lemons. I'll make you some lemonade. That's about it. Once I'm done with this bike, I'll be doing another bike and possibly put another bike together. I'm not going to do all three. I'm not going to videotape everything on the bike, because some shit's just not worth it. Like if you're doing bolts, it's bolts. I'll do manual video and the rest is whatever. So, but if I'm gonna try to make a video, the oil change in it, some other stuff. So anyway, I hope you like this little rant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click some buttons, and toodles.